Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia and I am so grateful to have you here. In today's practice, I am going to be guiding you through the Ashtang mantra. This is a mantra that helps bring in positive reinforcements into our life. We will also be doing a few postures and movements to get our body ready. All right, when you're ready, bringing your hands into your heart, take a nice deep breath in, lengthening through the spine, and exhale. We're going to begin with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini yoga is a devotional practice to yourself, to your body, to your energy, and to your spirit. Take a nice deep breath in to begin. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Beautiful. All right, we're going to get right into it right out of the gate. So coming into Ego Eradicator, bringing your fingertips in, thumbs point up, bringing your arms up nice and strong here, closing down your eye, focusing on your third eye. We come to the panting breath of fire. Quick sniffs through the nose, pumping your belly. Here we go, breath of fire. Take a nice deep breath in, squeeze and lift your energy all the way from Muladhara to Sahasrara, from the crown, from the root to the crown. Bring your thumb tips together overhead. Keep squeezing, keep lifting, elevate your energy, elevate your life, stretch your fingers, deep breath in. Holding your breath, squeezing and lifting, elevating. Beautiful. Now bring your hands together, clasp your hands together, continue to stretch nice and tall. Deep breath in. Exhale, take it over to the right. Pulling your thumbs back, opening through the side body. Keep both sits bones on the ground. Take a nice deep breath in. And exhale up and over to the other side. Nice deep breath in and up through center. Slowly release your hands. As you bring your hands down nice and slow beside your body, you're clearing out your aura of anything negative, of anything that no longer serves you, of anything that needs to get the heave-ho out your life and never come back. No more, no more. All right, plant your hands down on your mat. Take a nice deep breath in. Lengthen tall. Exhale out. Relax back into yourself. Take a moment here with your eyes closed to feel into your energy body. Notice the subtlety, my friend. All right, amazing. We are going to come into a tabletop. And we're gonna rock out Fast and Furious cat-cow. If that's not good for you today and your body, then just go to your regular cat-cow. As you inhale, drop your belly, chest comes forward. Exhale, round. And now how we're gonna speed this up. Bring in the breath, quick sniffs. All right, slowly sit back on your heels, bring your hands. Let's place some palms up, bring your elbows into your side and we'll relax here. Ironing out your breath, coming in to that quiet witness. What is happening? Relaxing any tension you're finding in your shoulders, your belly, your hips. Floating into awareness. Right, you're going to turn your hands so that your palms face each other. And you're going to bring your hands almost so the tips of your fingers touch. And then you're going to move them back out. Looking down your nose at your hands. See if there's anything you notice here. All right, as you bring your hands closer together this time, almost bringing the fingers to touch. Can you feel that electromagnetic activity between your fingers? Take a nice deep breath in here. As you exhale, I want you to project your consciousness into that electromagnetic field between your fingers. Feelings of love and acceptance, that higher consciousness, that elevated consciousness. Let's press our fingers completely together. Take our thumbs up to the third eye and bow forward. As you bow here to yourself, to your energy, to your process, to everything you've been through up into this exact moment in time, connecting it all, weaving it all, accepting it all. Take a nice deep breath into the beauty that is you, to the beauty that is oneness. You are here. You are here now, living in this space in time. Hooray, celebrate. Breathe. All right, making your way up. Finding a comfy seat. You might want to bring a pillow. This mantra helps us to bring reinforcements of light into our aura. The work we already did was helping us to empower our aura. And now we're like, hey, hey, are you out there? Can you help? Come help me. I need to do good work. I need to be supported. And the reinforcements will come. We have to put the call out. Right hand over left, hands at the chest, closing down your eyes, focusing on your third eye. The mantra is Hari Nam Sat Nam Hari Nam Hari. 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 Take a nice deep breath in. Open your arms out, expand, send that energy around the whole entire globe. From the right fingertip around the whole world over to the left. Imagine, take a nice deep breath in. Feeling so reinforced, so supported that you send light and positivity around the whole world. Yay! Keep breathing, keep elevating, holding this space, holding this energy, focusing. All right. Take a nice deep breath in. Bring your hands together, Anjali Mudra at the heart, exhale. We end our class with the mantra, Sat Nam. Truth is my essence. Deep breath in. Sat Nam. And Sat Nam. Beautiful being of light and love. Thank you so much for spending your time, energy, and practice with me today. I do hope it has helped. If you are looking for more support, I will leave links below in the description. I am a Kundalini yoga teacher and somatic coach, and I have many offerings to help you on your journey. As well, if you are new here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. It would mean so much to me. Also, leave a comment and let me know how you like this one. All right, bye for now.